We're making a quiche. Alright, here's the crust. Put that in 425, a couple minutes. This is 4 eggs, about a cup of heavy cream, a dash of nutmeg, 3/4 salt, dash of pepper. And this is broccoli, 1 package of chopped broccoli, a little bit of onion, a little bit of parm, some cheddar, 2 heaping things of mayonnaise, 2 heaping tablespoons of cottage cheese. So I'm going to put this in the crust and then pour the egg stuff over it. Hang on. Okay. Probably got maybe almost too much because I did 2 packages of broccoli because I wanted just a little bit more broccoli. Just that. Spread it around. Oh, I'm doing good. Okay. Alright, so we got that in there. We'll take the egg stuff. Here, I usually just go around it. Sometimes you got too much egg stuff too, but that's alright. This will be good. This is gonna be good. Alright, see, I got stuff left over, that's alright. And then you can't ever have enough cheese. Put a little, what do you call, cheddar, right? Bam! Bam! Almost done. So this bakes 425. You bake it for 15 minutes. And then you put it down to 300 and you bake it for 30 minutes and it's done. So I just sort of pat it down a little bit. I'm gonna pop it in the oven. Where are you? It'll be done in 45 minutes. Enjoy. Bye.